Today, we will show you how to craft a Star Wars Christmas card with the dark character of the new episode of Star Wars, The Force Awakens, Kylo Ren. We need A4 size white cardstock, acrylic paint that's red, white, and black colors, black contour lining, a Kylo Ren mask paper stencil, brushes, gray contour lining. Fold the A4 paper sheet in half. Put the Kylo Ren mask stencil on the paper. You might need to print out a picture of the new Star Wars villain. We'll draw it freehand. Trace it with a pencil. Define the mask details. We're creating Kylo Ren's image. Brighten the drawing. Make it a Christmas card by adding Santa's cap to the character. Draw a spring instead of a traditional pom-pom. Let's see how the drawing will look in color. Start coloring the mask with black acrylic paint. You'd better keep a printed Kylo Ren picture at hand to be exact in the details. When the mask is covered with paint, define the edges using black contour lining. Add gray lines. Delineate the details using a white pen. Define the lines. Start painting the cap. Color the fur white. Define the string with black contour lining. Use a gray cardboard strip as a base for the greeting inscription. Write a wish on a square piece of light paper. Though we've chosen a Christmas idea, the inscription can be different. It depends on its purpose. It may be either a Star Wars birthday card for a fantastic saga fan or a Star Wars invitation for a Christmas party. Add the finishing touch. The Star Wars Christmas card featuring Kylo Ren, the villain of the new episode of Star Wars, The Force Awakens, is ready. Leave your comments. Subscribe to our channel to watch other various Star Wars tutorials.